Meanwhile, some of Europe's most powerful feudal lords were departing for the Holy Land, at the head of their own contingents. They were much better armed and organised than the disastrous People's Crusade. They included, from Lorraine, Godfrey of Bouillon, with his brothers Eustace and Baldwin of Boulogne; Hugh of Vermandois, younger brother of the French king; Count Robert of Flanders, and Duke Robert of Normandy, son of William the Conqueror; the wealthy Stephen of Blois; from Provence, Count Raymond of Toulouse, accompanied by the Crusade's spiritual leader, papal legate Adhemar of Le Puy; and from southern Italy, Norman lords Bohemond of Taranto and his nephew Tancred. The various contingents converged for their agreed rendezvous at Constantinople. Together they formed a huge army, perhaps 60,000 strong, probably the largest seen in Europe since the fall of the Western Roman Empire.